The power of Dua. Hannah had been struggling in school. Math was like a monster chasing her in her dreams, and science felt like an alien language. But during Ramadan, she learned that duas are accepted more in this holy month. She started waking up for suhoor and making dua sincerely. "Mama, do you think my dua will be answered?" she asked one night, yawning as she sipped her water. "Of course, sweetheart." The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The supplication of a fasting person is not rejected." So Hannah made dua every night. She prayed for success in school, peace in her heart, and, secretly, that she wouldn't have to memorize any more long history lessons. By the end of Ramadan, she noticed something strange. Her math teacher was suddenly making more sense, and science didn't feel like an alien language anymore. "Mama, I think my duas worked. I understood fractions today," she exclaimed, spinning around the kitchen. Her mother smiled. "That's the power of dua and hard work. Maybe next time, you should also pray for your alarm clock to wake you up on time." Moral: never underestimate the power of sincere dua. What lesson did you get from the story? Tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. See you soon in another episode.